Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting DIY tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own 9V rechargeable battery at home. This project is not only simple and fun, but also extremely practical. By making this battery, you can save a lot of money on disposable batteries, and at the same time, contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyle. For this project, you'll need just a few components that are easy to find. 2 3.7V liion batteries, a voltage booster module, a charging module, and an old or non-functional 9V battery casing. We're going to combine these components in a compact way so that everything fits neatly inside the 9V battery shell, giving you a rechargeable battery that looks and works just like the store-bought ones. Here's how it works. We'll connect the two 3.7V batteries in parallel. This setup keeps the voltage at 3.7V while increasing the overall capacity. To step up the voltage to 9V, which is required for most standard devices, we'll use a small voltage booster module. The charging module will then allow us to recharge the battery easily via a micro USB or Type-C port. By the end of this project, you'll have a powerful and reusable battery that you can use for various devices, from small electronics to DIY projects. Throughout the process, I'll guide you step by step, showing you how to connect the components, solder the wires, and assemble everything securely into the 9V casing. The key here is to make the charging module as compact as possible so it fits neatly without compromising functionality. This project is beginner-friendly, but as always, remember to take safety precautions, especially when working with liion batteries and soldering tools. Batteries can be dangerous if mishandled, so follow the instructions carefully. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative and practical DIY tutorials. Your support helps me bring more interesting projects to you. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts or ask any questions you have about this project. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting and innovative DIY project. Until then, take care and keep building amazing things.